Hi, it's Tangi with Bits and Beats Line Dancing. I'm going to teach you an improver line dance. It is called Broken Branches to the new song by Dierks Bentley, John Anderson, and Riley Green. This is going to be a 48 count line dance. There's going to be 2 tags. The first tag will take place after wall 2, and the second tag will take place after wall 5. Okay, let's get started on that first set of 8 counts. I'm going to turn around. We're going to start with a weave, but in this particular weave, normally we'll go behind on a weave. This time we'll go in front first. So we will go step out with the right. We're going to go in front with the left. We're going to go out to the side with the right, and we're going to go behind with the left. Okay, so we're weaving to the right, but we're going in front instead of behind. So we're going to go right in front, right behind, and then we're going to do some heel switches. We're going to go right, left, left. Okay, so let's do that again, and I'm going to count it for you. We're going to start with that weave. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your first set of 8 counts. Let's go ahead and do the other side for our second set of 8 counts. So you finish like this. We're going to step out to the left, left, in front, left, behind, and then heel switch again, starting with the left. Left, right. Okay, let's put those first 2 sets of 8 counts together. 6, 7, 8, out in front, out behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4, left in front, left behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4. To count, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and start on that third set of 8 counts. Okay, so we're going to start with that right foot. We're going to kick it forward. We're going to kick it to the side, and then we're going to shuffle right, left, right. We're going to take the left foot. We're going to kick it forward. We're going to kick it to the side, and we're going to shuffle left, right, left. So it's going to go right, forward, side, shuffle, left, forward, side, shuffle. The counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's put those first 3 sets of 8 counts together. So let's start at the top so we can memorize. 5, 6, 7, 8, out in front, out behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4, out in front, out behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4. Now kick, kick, shuffle right, kick, kick, shuffle left. Good job, you guys. All right, let's do those first 3 sets of 8 counts, 2 counts. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's start on that fourth set of 8 counts. So we just kicked and we went left, left. Now we're going to shuffle forward on the right. We're going to go right, left. Take your left foot, bring it forward, and do a half pivot. Take your left foot, shuffle forward, right foot forward, and then do a half pivot again. So it's going to be shuffle right, step, pivot, shuffle left, step, pivot. Or shuffle right, left, turn, shuffle left, right, turn. All right, let's do that part to count. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's put those 4 sets of 8 counts together, starting at the top. Let's memorize 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, This will be your fifth set. We just shuffled forward. We went 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. With that right foot, we're going to heel grind as we do a quarter turn, and then we're going to stomp twice on the left. Stomp, stomp. We're going to do it one more time. We're going to take that right foot. We're going to heel grind, quarter turn, put your weight on it, and stomp, stomp again on that left. Okay, so we're going to go heel grind, stomp, stomp, heel grind, stomp, stomp. To count, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and put all 5 sets together. We're memorizing again, and then we'll work on that last set. We're going to go right in front, right behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4, left in front, left behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4, kick, kick, shuffle right, kick, kick, shuffle left, shuffle forward, left, pivot, shuffle forward, right, pivot, heel grind, stomp, stomp, heel grind, stomp, stomp. All right, that last set of 8 counts, this will be your 6th set. We just stomped on our left foot. We're going to step right, out to the side, left, out to the side. We're going to shake twice to the right. Then we're going to go step on the right, clap 2 times, step on the left, clap 2 times. Let me go backward just a second. So we're going to go right, left, hip, hip, step, step. That's your last set. Let me put those to counts though. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. But let's turn back around. Let's put all of those together. We're going to start back up at the top. We're going to go out in front, out behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4, out in front, out behind, heel switch 2, 3, 4, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, left, left, shuffle forward, left, pivot, shuffle forward, right, pivot, heel grind, stomp, stomp, heel grind, stomp, stomp, right, left, shake to the right, right, left. Good job. Let's see, should we do it to count? Okay, let's back it up again. Let's do it to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Yay! Okay, so we got through all 48 counts. Let's talk about those tags. So the first tag, again, it does happen after wall 2. The first one is going to be, it's going to be 8 counts, okay? And we are facing 12 o'clock. So on the first one, we're going to go hook, hitch, shuffle right, then hook, hitch, shuffle left. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll turn around. Starts with the right foot. We're going to go hook, hitch, right, hook, hitch, left, left. So again, that happens after wall 2. And then the second tag will happen after wall 5. The second tag is only 4 counts. Yeah, 4 counts, only 4 counts. We will be facing 6 o'clock on this one. And we're going to do a right pivot. Then we're going to cross right over left and then wind. So it's a right, pivot, cross, unwind. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to start the dance all over again with a right in front, right behind. Okay. Good job, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Tangi with Boots and Beef Financing, and I'll see you out there on the dance floor. Thanks for stopping by.